Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing what you need. Confirm you have admin rights, a stable internet connection, and the server details. Next, pick the VPN protocol, OpenVPN if you need compatibility, WireGuard for speed, or IKEv2 for mobile stability. Once decided, download the client or ensure built-in support is enabled. Now open the client or system network settings and select Add Connection. Make sure to choose the protocol you prepared credentials for. This prevents rework later. You now enter the specific connection parameters, server address, port number, and the protocol you chose earlier. Import certificates or paste the private key and username/password exactly as provided, because small errors break authentication. Once authenticated, set DNS to the VPN provider or custom resolver and enable route all traffic if you want full tunneling. Also enable a kill switch or block until connected option to prevent leaks. Save the profile and confirm the connection entry appears in your list. You complete setup by initiating the connection and watching the client logs. They show authentication and routing steps. Once connected, verify your external IP and DNS to confirm traffic is tunneled, and test essential services like web browsing and streaming to check performance. If something fails, make sure credentials match, confirm the server port is open, and temporarily disable local firewall to isolate the issue. If problems persist, restart the client and re-import keys. Often a fresh load resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.